Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so the expression for the displacement component is given by horizontal component x equal to t times cos of theta and vertical component as y equal to t times sine of theta. Since the postal employee drives a delivery truck along the horizontal and vertical axis, now the horizontal displacement is r times x equal to 4 km plus 3.1 times cos of 45 degrees, which would be 6.19 km towards the east direction, and the vertical displacement ry is equal to 2.6 kilometers plus 3.1 times cos of 45 degrees, that is 4.79 kilometers towards the north direction. Now, using the Pythagorean theorem to find the resultant displacement of the truck, we have r equal to square root of rx squared plus ry squared. When putting the values, we have r equal to square root of 6.19 squared plus 4.79 squared. And on solving, we will get the value of r as 7.83 kilometers, and its direction is given by theta equal to tan inverse of 4.79 over 6.19, and on solving this, we will get the value of theta as 37.73 degrees northeast direction.